Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. Today we are making the warmest and most hearty chicken soup you will ever make. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. Captured here are all the ingredients that I used. I'll put everything in the description bar, their measurements and details on all of that in the description bar, so please check it out. So I start off by steaming the chicken. I went ahead to blend the aniseeds, cloves, grains of selim, rosemary, ginger and then the garlic into a fine paste. Then I'll add the chicken seasoning, crumble the stock cube, then add the nutmeg and salt. Okay, so you really want to be generous with your seasoning for this particular meal, especially in the initial stages, or else you end up with chicken that is bland. And hell no, we don't cook bland food here, and nobody actually enjoys eating bland food. So please be generous with the seasoning. It may seem a lot, but it will go a long way to help you. So after adding the seasoning and then the spices, I'll just give it a good stir. Make sure the spices enter every nook and cranny of my chicken. Then cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. Here's what it looks like after 10 minutes. I went ahead to blend the peppers and onions into a puree, to which I'll add the tomato paste also. Now this will be some sort of base for our soup. I'll leave this to cook for about 15 minutes, and in that period the tanginess in the tomato paste will be reduced and the peppers and onions will infuse more flavor into the chicken. I'll keep stirring this as it cooks within the 15 minutes. Now notice how yummy it looks already. This soup will be so delicious. Now it's time to add the tomatoes to this mix. As soon as I put in the tomatoes, I'll pour the water over it. I used 2.5 liters of water for this soup. Now if you want your soup to be thicker, then you can do 2 liters. But then I found that 2.5 liters was perfect for the consistency I was going for. At this point, I take out the softened tomatoes and blend with 1 cup of water. After blending the tomatoes, I'll bring it back and strain it into the soup. Chicken soup is a delicacy that is enjoyed in most Ghanaian homes, especially during the festive periods like Christmas and New Year's Day. This pairs very well with fufu, rice and yam. And in this video, I'm going to enjoy mine with fufu, because why not? I'll stir this and then add the next ingredient, which is the African basil. See, you need this herb for your soup. It gives it an elevated taste, an elevated flavor that you can't do without. The soup is all done and ready at this point. Just see how good it looks. I can't wait to dig in. So at this point, I taste to adjust the seasoning if need be. And honestly, I was happy with how it tasted. I didn't need to do anything else to it. So I just turn off the heat and then move on to my fufu. I'll have a detailed recipe on how I do my fufu in another video, so please look out for it. What I waited for has come to pass. My fufu is ready and I'm about to enjoy. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I hope you learned a thing or two, and please do let me know if you try this and how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.